Can cold showers really improve your health? Welcome, Hapthys. It's probably cold where you live at this time of year. You may wonder, cold showers in winters? Well, that probably doesn't sound as amazing as their benefits are. You don't believe us? Watch this video till the end to find out the amazing benefits of cold showers. Hydrotherapy, or therapy underwater, has been prevalent for centuries for various ailments. Scientists have been doing experiments on cryotherapy, or therapy under frigid cold temperatures, for muscle and tissue lesions and fat reduction. With the same theoretical approach, they have found that a cold shower or bathing in water below 70 degrees Fahrenheit temperature regularly provides some amazing and unexpected benefits. While it is a common belief that a hot, relaxing bath can cure all your troubles, however, you may not know how cold showers can bring wonders to your physical and mental health. In this video, we will discuss how cold showers are good for you and how you can reap the maximum health benefits of cold showers. Release of happy hormones or endorphins. This is a holistic approach that has gained popularity over recent years for patients with depression. Recently, and especially after the COVID-19 pandemic hit the world, there has been a surge in depression and other mental illnesses. Many antidepressants are used to treat the symptoms of depression, but some clinical trials have also shown positive results with hydrotherapy or treatment with cold showers. This doesn't mean that one should stop taking the medication prescribed by the doctors. As we repeat, this is a holistic and supplemental approach, not the exact treatment. However, the mechanism of how it works is quite interesting. A sudden blast of cold showers acts as a shock to the body. The brain perceives these impulses and gets alert in return. This sudden alertness results in a boost in energy levels and clarity of thoughts. Cold showers have also been credited to stimulate the sympathetic nervous system and, in turn, causes the release of endorphins, or happy hormones, that are responsible for uplifting the mood and settle in a general sense of optimism and happiness. This is a medical hypothesis, and its results are not strongly conclusive. However, many people who have experimented with cold showers have supported this hypothesis and vouched of their many benefits. Improved blood circulation. When a person takes a cold shower or a warm shower that turns cold in the last 2 to 3 minutes, then the body temperature goes down. The heart has to pump a little more to make the blood circulation much better to help the body return to its normal temperature. This forced circulation actually proves to be quite beneficial for the skin and organs. When cold showers are taken regularly, there is an eventual improvement in the blood circulation, and this starts showing in glowing skin and overall better health. Decrease in body inflammation. We all know that whenever there is a sore muscle after a strenuous workout or a bruise, we are advised to put cold patches or ice packs to deal with the pain. If there is swelling, then it also starts going down after placing an ice pack over it. The reason for this is simple. The swelling, bruising, or redness occurs due to inflammation. The localized temperature at the site of inflammation goes higher, so applying ice brings down that temperature and helps in the reduction of inflammation. As the inflammation goes down, the swelling, aches, and soreness also start getting better. Based on the same principle, it has been proven that cold showers help in the reduction of general body inflammation. Building up natural immunity. Cold showers have been reported to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are generally known as the army of our body. They fight off the various microorganisms that may make us ill and are the building blocks of our body's immunity. Some clinical trials suggest that people who take cold showers are less likely to fall ill and take sick leaves. They are also reportedly quite immune to the common cold, influenza, and other common illnesses. Improves metabolism. Our body is made up of brown and white fat. Experts suggest that brown fat is actually the good fat, and healthy levels of this type of fat keep the bad fat in check too. Some research suggests that cold showers activate this good fat in our bodies and improve our metabolism. This, in turn, can help in losing weight. Now, this doesn't mean that you can lose weight just by standing under cold water daily. No, you need to incorporate healthy lifestyle changes too. However, there is definitely no harm to using cold showers as a supplemental approach too, along with other things. Cold shower benefits for men. Anatomically, men have their scrotal sacs hanging outside their bodies, and that is for a very good physiological reason. Studies suggest that for the ideal sperm production, the temperature of the testes must be at an optimal level, around 35 to 37 degrees Fahrenheit. There have been many studies that also suggest that cold showers bring down the scrotal temperature to around 31 to 33 degrees Fahrenheit. This causes an improved DNA and RNA replication and protein synthesis. This reportedly improves the semen volume, sperm count, mobility, morphology, and quality of the sperms too. There is no strong conclusive evidence if cold showers increase testosterone levels or not. Some reports suggest that they do not, so this area still needs more research. However, general evidence from various cases has demonstrated an increased fertility rate amongst men during cold weather. So even if it's not 100% conclusive, we can safely assume that cold showers are not harmful to men in any case. As beneficial as they sound, cold showers are actually not ideal for everyone. People with hypothermia or fever, certain heart conditions, high blood pressure, certain immune-compromised diseases should be careful before they jump in for hydrotherapy with cold water. Also, people living in regions where cold showers may lead to hypothermia need to avoid cold showers. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you found it informative. Don't forget to like, share the video, and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Have you tried taking cold showers for any of the above-mentioned reasons? Did they help you in some way? If yes, do share your experience in the comments section below.